When you think of the architect Jožeta Plečnika, you think of Ljubljana. But Ljubljana is just the beginning. His vision didn't stop at the city limits. It spread, quietly, deliberately, across Slovenia, into villages, into forests, into places most people have never thought to look. His works are like faceted jewels, sometimes obvious, sometimes hidden. A column in a mountain clearing, sacred geometry in a country church, details so subtle you might walk past them, unless you know to stop, to really see. This is not architecture that shouts, it whispers. It invites you to slow down, to touch stone warmed by the sun, to notice how light falls across a threshold. Every detail matters, every proportion considered. Plečnik didn't just build for Ljubljana, he built for Slovenia, for anyone willing to seek. His legacy is not confined to the capital. It's waiting, out there, to be discovered.